Hi, welcome back to my channel Color Life. Okay, today I'm going to show you just a basic DIY or basic things that you can do at home. That will be using wall hanger, which I call it wall hanger. I'm not sure how you call it. That can be used to stick up your broom or anything that you like to. Okay, how I use it at home is I'm using it to hang my headphones, hang my brooms, and quite a number of things. Okay, so rather than wasting your time, okay, firstly I would like to thank you all for your support to this channel. I would hope that you will click like, share, and subscribe. Do subscribe to my channel for more content, which I will do so in future. And then next will be the video will be showing you how I'm using that so-called wall hanger to the wall. But make sure don't attach that thing to so-called painted walls. Okay, it will be used for tiles or maybe your cupboard, cabinet, and all that. It can be used for that, but don't you attach it or stick it to colored walls. Okay, let's watch this video. Till next time, stay safe. Okay, bye. Hey, today I'm going to show you something. This one is actually something like a hook, right? Or something like you can put on the wall where you can slot things inside. Okay, so I bought this for, it's very cheap actually, but what I will show you today is what you can do with it. Okay, beside sticking on the side of the cupboard or stick on a tile, this thing can actually be used to hang your broom, hang whatever things that you wanted, even put your headset on top of it, and it will stick like forever. But one thing to be cautioned is that do not stick it on the wall, as in like colored wall. Use it if it's on tile or something like plasticky or woody or something. So if you put on the so-called a normal painted wall, then eventually this thing won't stick, and it will drop off eventually. So let's see what you can do afterward using this, what I did for my house. Okay, this is what I did. I'm sticking it to the tile wall. Sorry. Then you can see now it's much cleaner, so you can just pull it out, put it in, and then it will stick. So at least your broom will be much more organized to the place that you wanted. Okay, this is what I meant, hanging my headphone to the wall, but use it for tile wall or cupboard, which do not use it on the so-called colored wall without any sticking kind of material. Okay, so I've used that for hanging cables and whatever. So there's multi-purpose usage for it, and I think you all can do more or less the same, in which those products like really super cheap one. Okay, till next time, take care, have a great day, stay safe. Okay, don't forget to click to click like, share, and subscribe. Do give your comments afterward. Okay, bye.